A very good afternoon to all my viewers and my lovely children. Are you all ready? It's already 5:15. Let's move towards our Aparna's Pathshala. Yesterday I have done syllables, which is a breaking up of words into the way we are going to pronounce it. How easily we can remember the spellings of the syllables. So let's start from M. Okay children? Now today we are going to do what? Syllables. S-Y-L-L-A-B-L-E. Syllable. We are going to start from aim. Aim for mathematics. Mathematics. Yesterday we have made the syllable in a different way. Today I am going to do in another easy method. So I am doing in the easy process that you can remember the spellings. Sometimes I may be not going to any rules. I'm just doing it in favor of that you can remember the spellings. M-A-T mat, H-E-he, M-A-M-E-T-I-C-S, ticks, mathematics. M-A-T 1, 2, 3, 4. In 4 syllables I am breaking it. Next comes monkey. M-O-N-K-E-Y. You remember previously we have done it the same with donkey. So the same process we are doing it here itself. M-O-N-K-E-Y, monkey. It will be easier for you if I underline it with red pen. Okay, so I'm doing that. M-A-T mat, H-E-he, M-A-T-I-C-S mathematics, M-O-N monk, K-E-Y key. This is 2, this is 4. Breaking into 4 syllables and I'm breaking this one in 2 syllables. If you don't understand, try to do of your own. Every time, always you have to keep in mind that I have to learn the spellings. What's the easy process I can do it. Now N. I'm writing with N. N for nest. Again I am breaking it up with N-E-S-T. Nest. Next comes the word night angle. Do you know that night angle? Who is a night angle? What is this? Night angle is a bird. It sings very sweet songs. This is night angle. Now I am going to break it. Very easy. N-I-G-H-T, night. A-N-G-L-E, angle. Then 2 parts are coming. Here it is 1 N-E-S-T. Again here it is N-I-G-H-T, night. A-N-G-L-E, angle. Night angle. See my children, yesterday I have done so many syllables. I wrote very small. It may be very tough for you to go through the board. So I decided today I will write one at a time. I will explain you, then I will go for the next one. Okay, if you had any problem, please let me know. I am doing of my own. Which is easier to me, I am doing that process. But I want to know what you all needed. This Aparna's Pathshala is completely for you. I have devoted myself for you only through Aparna's Pathshala. Whenever, wherever, regarding this study material, I want to say, if you need me, you are always welcome. Just let me know that ma'am I want this, ma'am I want that, then I will be doing in that format itself. No need to worry. I am always with you. You people, you learn it very nicely. And for the toddlers and all, parents, that they first learn it and then they teach their child. Don't always rely on the teacher, because mother is the mother teacher of a child. মায়ের মতন কেউ ভালো বোঝাতে বা মা যেমন ছেলে সবকিছু বুঝতে পারে টিচারও বোঝে, একটা যে মাদার টিচার হয় নার্সারি কেজি এদের যে সব সাবজেক্টস নেন এইসব মাদার টিচার বলে, তারাও বুঝতে পারে অনেকটা। অনেক সময় দেখবেন মা বাবারা বুঝতে পারে না, ক্লাস টিচার বুঝতে পারে, চোখের আই পাওয়ার, অনেক বাচ্চার পাওয়ারের ব্যাপারটাও বুঝতে পারে, কারণ আইসাইটটা তখনই টেস্ট হয়ে যায়, যে পেছনে বসে দেখতে পারে না অনেক, এরকম করে কী করে বোঝে, মাদার টিচাররাই বুঝতে পারে যে হি অর শি মাস্ট হ্যাভ এনি আইসাইট প্রবলেমস। তাই জন্যই সবাইকে আমি রিকোয়েস্ট করছি, যারা একটু বড় তারা তো বুঝে নেবে, ব্যাপারটাকে ধরে নেবে, কিন্তু যারা একটু ছোট তারা এই সিলেবল জিনিসটা বুঝবে না, তাদের সব কিছু ছন্দে জিনিসটাকে আনতে হবে। অ্যান্ড রিদম যদি বেশ ভোকালি, আগেকার দিনে যেরকম পাঠশালায় পড়ানো হতো না, একজন বলতো সবাই উচ্চারণ করতো স্পেল ইট আউট, ঠিক সেরকম করে যদি পড়ানো হয় না, বাচ্চারা ঠিক মুখস্থ করে নেয়। যেমন নিচু ক্লাসে যেমন টেবলস পড়ানো হয় ম্যাথসের, তখন বাচ্চারা খুব দে ক্ল্যাপ অ্যান্ড দে লার্ন ইট। এই রাইমসগুলো এই যে ক্ল্যাপ দিয়ে দিয়ে বাচ্চাদের শেখানো হয়, তাহলে খুব তাড়াতাড়ি ওটা নিয়ে নিতে পারে। তাহলে একটা রিদমটা আমাদের লাইফে অনেক ইম্পর্ট্যান্ট রোল প্লে করে। আমরা বড়রা সব কিছু রিদমটা ভুলে যাই অনেক সময়, তো তাই জন্যে আমাদের লাইফটা ভীষণ ডিফিকাল্ট হয়ে যায়। তো না, অ্যাগেন গোয়িং টু মাই ও ফর অরেঞ্জ, ORANGE, orange, into 3 syllables. I am breaking it, but another one is there here. I'm writing here 3. I'm breaking into 3 syllables. ORANGE, orange. Next comes owl, OWL. No need to break this one. Owl is owl, we can write it easily. Now comes NNOP, P for parrot, PARROT. Parrot, parrot, PARROT. It's no need to. ENN, we know that. PEN, pen. HEN, hen. All the time you repeat these spellings twice, thrice. Once you go on doing this, no, then you will be able to keep it in your mind. Don't do competition in this, because you have to take it slowly. Very slowly you move, you will able to cover up everything, whatever lessons are there. Next comes Q, Q for quilt, 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 and Q for queen, QUEEN, queen. How I am going to break this? Quilt, QUILT, quilt. QUEEN, queen. This is coming in 2 part, this is coming in 2 part, this is coming in 2 part. Is it clear to you? Can I make you understand? Always QU doing it. Here is when you are writing ILT, it is becoming quilt, and when you are in EEN, it is becoming queen. I am telling all these words. Why do you know that? When you are going to write any one of the spellings, you will remember that Miss has told us to write like both are same. You see QU. Here is queen for EEN and ILT, built, quilt. What is the spelling of built? BUILT, built. You try to make rhythms out of it. Next, Q is completed. MNOPQ, then comes R. R for rabbit. RABBIT, rabbit. What more else we can write with R? Raincoat. It's raining outside. We need it. R for RAIN, rain, COAT, raincoat. Now how I am going to make the syllables? Rabbit, RABBIT, rabbit. RAB, rab, BIT, bit, rabbit. How many syllables is coming? 2. Now raincoat is also 2. RAIN, rain, COAT, at. I'm making into 3. Raincoat. R-A-I-N, rain. C-O-A-T, at. Raincoat. Now, these are all done. Now, let me erase the board. You got it, no? First one is mathematics. Next comes monkey. Mathematics. How we are dividing it? M-A-T, mat. H-E, he. M-A-T-E. M-A-T-I-C-S, ticks. Mathematics. Done. Next, monkey. M-O-N, monk. K-E-Y, key. As we have done in donkey. D-O-N, done. K-E-Y, key. Donkey. Relate, do the relations. Then we have to remember it. It will help you to memorize the spellings of it. You won't forget. Next, nest. N for nest. N-E-S-T. Nest. Night angle. Why I'm taking it's a big word? Because I can break it in a syllable. 2 words are night and angle. These are 2 words joined together and night angle word comes. Night angle is a bird which can sing softly and sweetly. Next comes O. O for orange. O for owl. Orange. O-R. Catch. A-N dash G. Orange. Next, O-W-L. Owl. B-O-W-L. Bowl. H-O-W-L. Howl. কে howl করে বলো তো? Foxes howl. Remember that. See, a change of letters is becoming a different meaning. Okay. Next, let's move to P. P for parrot. P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. It's a bird, green color bird with red beaks. Sometimes it can swing, it can sing well, it can talk. Tota bole na. Next, pen. P for pen. E-N-N, P-N, pen, H-E-N, hen, D-E-N, den. You know that. It's a very easy one. কখনো ঘাবড়ে যাবে না, চেষ্টা করবে কোন সিলেবাসে আসছে। অনেক সময় অনেক ক্রিটিক্যাল কেসেস আছে যে প্রথম লেটার্স আর সাইলেন্ট। আই এম নট গোয়িং টু দোজ লেটার্স, আমি জাস্ট ইজি ওয়ান্সগুলো আই এম ডুইং ফর ইউ। তুমি যদি ইজি ওয়ানগুলো জেনে যাও না চট করে, তাহলে এই হার্ড ওয়ানগুলো ইজিলি তুমি নিজেরাই সিলেবল ব্রেক করতে করতে শিখে যাবে। নেক্সট, কুইল্ট। কিউ ফর কুইল্ট। কুইল্ট যেটা আমরা গায়ে চাপা নিবি, তো ওটার স্পেলিংটা কি? Q-U-I-L-T, ইল্ট। কুইল্ট। কুইন, Q-U-E-E-N, কুইন। এটারও দুটো আছে, এটারও দুটো আছে। আর র্যাবিট, R-A-B, র্যাব, B-I-T, বিট, র্যাবিট। রেইনকোট, R-A-I-N, রেন, C-O-C-O-A-T, raincoat. So all are very easy ones we have done up to R. Next we are going to move from R to M-N-O-P-Q-R-S-T. Let me erase the board. Now what I am doing, I am erasing the board. S for S-W-A-N, swan. Or S for squirrel, S-Q-U-I-R-R-E-L, squirrel. Have you seen a squirrel? Before we can see in trees and everywhere, but nowadays because of the afforestation no more squirrels are seen. I used to see at my house often. How I'm going to break? Swan, S-W-A-N, swan. Next comes squirrel, S-Q-U-I-R-R-E-L, squirrel. S-Q-U-I-R-R-E-L, squirrel. T for tiger. T for tonic. Do you know what tonic is? You all are people are very happy with what I am doing in the Aparna's Pathshala. That is your loving, your love, and this is my tonic in my Aparna's Pathshala. I try to give my best here, which your affection is acting as a tonic to me. Next, tiger. T-I, G-E-R, tiger. Tiger. Next, tonic. I'm breaking it. T-O-N-I-C. Tonic. S-T. Now I'm writing with U. U for umbrella. U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A. Umbrella. U for, we have already done, unicorn. C-O-R-N. There are many stories regarding unicorn. Umbrella. Can you break this? Try once. Umbrella. U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A. Umbrella. The same happens with unicorn. U-N-I, uni, C-O-R-N, corn, unicorn. Done. Unicorn. This is 1, 2, 3. Here it is 2. V for violin. V-I-O-L-I-N, violin. V for vest. V-I-O-Y-O-L-I-N, lean. V-E-S-T, vest. B-E-S-T, best. R-E-S-T, rest. See, all there is a rhythm. N-E-S-T, nest. See, all are coming in a rhythm one, no? All there is some attachment. U-V, next comes W. W for wasp. W for wax. Wax we can't break it. This is one word. But wasp is W-A-S-P. And another thing is there. Jol, amader jibon. I take water. Without water, no life. So we must know the breaking of it. No. So I am writing here W-A-T-R, water. W-A-W-T-R. You won't be able to understand. You can't be able to relate it. Let me color it. W-A-T-R, water. W-A-S-P, wasp. I have done up to W. Now X, Y, Z left. Let me do it. X. Here let me write Y. Then comes Z. X for xylophone. X, Y, xy, L-O-L-O, P-H-O-N-E, phone, xylophone. X for Xerox, X-E-R-O-X, Xerox. So let me break this one. Xy, xy, L-O-L-O, P-H-O-N-E, xylophone. Done. Next comes Xerox. X-E-Z-R-O-X, rocks. B-O-X, box. F-O-X, fox. I-N-O-X, inox. Y for yellow. Y-E-L-L-O-W, yellow. E-L-L-O-W, low. Yellow. I am breaking it in that pattern. Hot summer, we take yogurt. No? That is what is the spelling of it. Y-O-G-U-R-T, yogurt. Y-O-G-U-R-T, yogurt. Okay? So how can I going to break this one? Yo, Y-O, yo, G-U-R-T, gurt, yogurt. Y-O-Yo, G-U-R-T, gurt, yogurt. Z for zebra, Z-E-B, R-A, zebra, Z-E-B, zeb, R-A, ra, zebra, Z-I-P-P-E-R. I'm going to bracket Z-I-P, zip, P-E-R, pub, zipper. So children, that's all for today. Stay happy, stay blessed at home. Go through Aparna's Pathshala. I hope you will learn little bit of. Okay, bye. Take my love.